Hello, this is Laptop Media and today we will show you how to open the Huawei MateBook 14s. Removing the bottom plate is simple. You have to unscrew 10 Torx head screws. Then, you have to pop the bottom plate with a plastic pry tool. Only 2 per 100 people watching this video are subscribers. If you decide to just start following us, we'll be able to reinvest more in our laboratory. The battery capacity is 60 watt-hours, which sounds just fine for a compact device like this one. Unfortunately, one of the screws here have a factory seal which may or may not void your warranty. The device has one M.2 slot for fast Nvme drives. Sadly, but this screw has a factory seal too. Unfortunately, the memory is soldered directly to the motherboard. The cooling looks decent. It has 2 fans, 2 heatsinks, 1 cooling plate, and 2 heat pipes.